I was watching Scoutcrafter's Friday video this week, and he had a dead-on annihilator tool, which pry bar. Does a lot of things. Got wire strippers and nail pullers and all kinds of things. Well, about 15 years ago, my son gave me this Stanley Fat Max, and it does some of the things that the annihilator does. One of the things that made me think of this is the dead-on annihilator has a spot like this, and Scoutcrafter gave a good explanation of what it was for. It's for twisting studs and joists into position. You drop that over the 2x4 or the edge of the 2x6, 2x10, whatever it is, and you can either push down on the handle or pull up on the handle and twist the piece of wood into position so that you can get the, if you're trying to put the screws into the end of it, this will bring it up so it'll line up. Very cool very cool tool to have. I don't know how much they cost now, but it was a gift, so I never really looked up how much it cost. It's a nice tool to have. It does say wear safety glasses when using it. Right there. And I would think, having used this to take out a bathtub, and the white chalk stuff there on the end of it, that's plaster from when I took out the bathtub in the big bath here in the house. It will make a big mess. It'll throw stuff all over the place. And I think if I was swinging this around, I'd want to have people around me wearing safety glasses. I'd want to have people stand back and not be close enough to worry about it. Just because even though it's got a really good grip on it and everything is actually very well balanced, and it's a nice thing, it's got a good hammer face on it, you can beat on things. It's got this so you can punch through things like plasterboard. But if it slips out of your hand, it's going to hurt. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. I read them all. Thanks for watching.